Trinity swim team has certainly been enjoying the sun this semester, as their indoor pool has been undergoing substantial renovations. Head coach Scott Trumpeter has been looking forward to these upgrades for some time.
It's got kind of a wow factor. It's a nice area, but the pool itself was always just the least impressive thing about the whole space.
But now the pool will be sporting several new features. It's now a foot deeper and has brand new pipes and gutters. In addition, the pool will have brand new starting blocks and 5 new diving boards.
So there's a lot of things just, I guess, below the surface that you wouldn't see that aren't eye-popping differences, but they're going to help out a lot.
And team captain David Smith agrees.
I think the renovations are going to be a great help to the team. When swimmers are 5 feet underwater, they get 60% less resistance doing dolphin kicks than they would if they were just kicking on the surface.
Pool renovations were supposed to be done by October 1st. Now they will be pushed back about a week or so. But the team is still working hard outdoors.
Swimming in the outdoor long course pool is a lot better to build a strong endurance foundation so that we can make it through the rest of the year.
So while the swim team is still content with swimming outside, they're hoping for no further delays. Reporting from the Bell Center, I'm Erin Crooks, Newswave 14.